Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another upload. Respect to everyone that's viewing my channel. Please like the video, please subscribe if you have not subscribed. Today, we're gonna check out the Gully God performance. You see me? And new rules, you see me? Alkaline show. Gully God fuck up the place. Nah, lie about that. You see me? So I jump right into it. Viewers and subscribers, please subscribe if you have not. Thank you.
Hello, Mavado. Say anyway. I'm a godfather there. I'm a godfather there.
You must be dreaming. What does your bad man do? Take it back. New rules, you know it go. Don't step up. When the bad man friend them from over in Bramstead. When Bruce is ready, right on you. Tell them, they're up. Them are just some. Pussy when they have time for chat boy. You never listen. Full grip on us, stay with them. This time you like what you're fucking. Run us up. Everybody want to run summer. Take it. 450, big up yourself. I can't answer to someone. Remember this. This is what the gangster life is. Boom, 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 boom. Back from the boom, 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 boom. Kill him soon. I saw the real gangster. Some boys, we know this. Bury them walk with them caskets. Anyway, never go blood. That's it. Win. There's money. So this way down my feet. One to them. Money don't take me. This way. You work. Everybody sing it up. Sonny got shit. Just the youth. Double. No. That's it. Pretty girl, them red just up. 13 15 married. Every girl is. We are hot boy. Say girl is warm. And I say, let me see the body and the vendetta go up. Let them see that bomba clad. What's the no? What's the no? Then you don't say, we don't say how we every girl have a new. Take it. Something for the ladies, gangster. Right now. Ladies say yeah. Girls say our first boyfriend did a living up. So that's you are. You want this man, buddy? Fuck, what am I doing? Baby. pussy girl. Me say girl, they over me, I fuck your from back. Me and the key. You love her run over, you say baby no. You went to your feet. What a sexy little thing. Come here, Fuga. Roll in the tree. I'm baby. Really? Room. Hi. She said, baby. You can't tell us something. The girl them love gangster. Hear that new rules. She said she won't come home. That's it. So I'm a day one fan, so that means we don't go through the struggles. I want freedom. Can't hold me down no more. They got me down. I don't know what man can't hold them down. What's up from the new rules? What's up? Hey, man, born for this. Listen up. Me 21 songs of this. Man, born for. When you're pleasant, them warriors we go through the prison. We don't like bad mind people. I just live good life. I want to say, everybody, laugh with the new rules. I'm calling God, you hear that?
Viewers and subscribers, there you have it. Great performance by Mavado. And me like the love and the respect what the fans them a show Mavado, because we all we know say Mavado a giant in a dance hall. You see me? When I biggest stage clash we go on, and Mavado and Vibes Cartel do it to me. You see me? Because that's my generation. You see me? I say enough respect to Mavado. See me? Crowd turn out good and new rules. No joke. People them show 1000% love and respect to Mavado. Big up Gully God all the time. You see me? I say, no joke. Like the look, man. You see me? Just leave in the comment section, people, what you think about the whole video. And thank you all for watching. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed.